The goal of trading is simple. Start here, end here. But most people think they're gonna have the car, the house, the life. They trade for a couple of weeks, and instead of ending up here, they end up here. This was not my idea, but that's not what I want for you. So after 17 years of trading, I'm gonna show you how I trade, where I trade, and all the tools I use to make my life a hell of a lot easier. This is how to day trade for beginners starting with nothing. Just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in. So what is day trading? For me, it's just looking at price charts like these, determining if I want to buy or sell, placing that trade, and then if the price goes in my direction, if my analysis is good and it hits my profit target like it did right there, it wins and I can collect my profits over and over and over again. And when I find an edge in the markets, whether that's a strategy or a trading software, that's when I compound my gains so that I can grow my trading accounts consistently, like this verified account or this verified account or this community member verified account, all using my current data-driven trading strategy. And eventually this can lead to payouts from the broker, which I'm telling you is the best feeling in the world. Just take a look at a few payouts from our community, but understand this isn't about huge gains. If trading can pay for groceries or rent, a vacation, and eventually let someone work part-time, these are all incredible outcomes worth shooting for. Now, what do you need to get started day trading? Really just two main things. You need TradingView to analyze the charts and MetaTrader to place the trades. So come to TradingView, the link is in the description. It's absolutely free. Just click Get Started for free. Click on Sign Up. Come to email right here. Plug your email, plug your password, click that you're not a robot, click on the damn motorcycles. And then when you're in TradingView, we can start looking at the charts. So just come to Products, click on Super Charts. That's all you need to do. Now, this may look insane at first, but I promise it'll be like driving a car, riding a bike, whatever people say. Now, on the right-hand side, you can see we have this watch list button. This is where you have all of your charts. You can trade any asset you like. I trade NASDAQ, gold, Bitcoin, a bunch of different Forex pairs. If you want to add an asset, just come click Add right here. Maybe you want to trade silver. You just click on the plus icon right there. Now you've got silver, you could pull that up, you could take a look at that chart, and maybe you're looking at this chart thinking it's time to buy already, but slow down. Now you may be wondering, how do I trade all of these different assets? And it's using time-tested trading strategies like supply and demand, for example. Now, if you draw your attention to the charts right now, you can see we have a very, very aggressive price move with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in a row. So I take the rectangle tool and I draw that onto the chart on the red candle before the big push up, because that big push up tells me that institutions like this level, making it a demand zone. Now, when price retraces back to that level, just like it's doing right here, I can consider taking a trading position, because if the institutions like that level, then I like that level too. So I can enter a buy trading position, and if the price goes up, I smash my take profit. Or I use something called support and resistance. This right here is a support zone because buyers are defending this level, and every time price comes to this level, the price is getting pushed up. And the level at the top is what we call a resistance level, because every time price comes to the resistance level, price is getting pushed down. The sellers at this level are pushing the price down like a ceiling, and the buyers at this level are pushing the price up like a floor. So when price comes to my level right here, I can consider taking a buy trade and exiting that trade at the resistance level. And again, if that trade goes in my direction, I can profit and grow my trading account. In a trade like this, I'm actually combining confluences because you could see we have a demand zone on this candle right here, which is being overlapped by that level of support. And that gives me an even higher probability of winning a trade. And now you can start to see how I'm building my edge in the markets every single day. Next is, where do we trade and how do we start with $0? I trade on 4 or 5 brokers right now, but my favorite is Risen FX. The link is in the description. Just come here, click on open account, enter all your details right here and click continue. Then once you're logged in, just come to account section right here, click on open a demo account. You can select the MT5 demos, click continue, ECN or essential. I usually do ECN. You can select any leverage you want. I usually use around 1,500, and you can set the initial balance. So if you plan on trading 1,000 or 3,000 live, just select that and click continue, continue again. Save this information right here. And if later on you want to trade live, just come to open live account. You can select MT5, continue, select your account type right here, continue, and then you have a live account. And if you go to funds, deposit funds, you can then deposit to that account from credit card or cryptocurrency, and you're up and running. But what we want to do right now is come to the download section right here and download MetaTrader 5 for our desktop. Once you have that file, just double click on it. This is our trading platform. I always do this. I always put a 1 here so that I could install more of these as 2 and 3 and 4. Then I just click next, and now the trading platform is installed. I'm ready to place some trades. So let's click next. We're going to connect with an existing trade account. And if you go to your email, you'll have a Risen FX demo account login that you created. Copy, paste, and then we can log right in. And now we're ready to drag charts onto the platform and start placing trades. So how do we place a trade in MetaTrader? And don't worry, I'll give you a strategy to help you place your first trade coming up next. So come up here to new order. There's only 2 types of trades that I do. That's the market execution or the limit order. So first I would set the volume. That's just the size of the trade. And then I could click buy and I'm into my trade. And market execution's immediate. Let me pull up this chart to explain. If I was doing a limit order and the price was right here, I could say I want to enter the price right here. So I would enter this price right here in MetaTrader, which is 16,837. So I would put that in this column right here. Then if the price came down to that level, which is the level that I want to take the trade from, it would trigger into the trading position and manage that position if I'm not even at my computer. I can also set the stop loss and the take profit for that position, this at the top here being my take profit, and this at the bottom right here being my stop loss. The take profit is where I win the trade, the stop loss is where I lose the trade. On a trade like this one here, I would be gaining 4% if I win and losing 1% if I lose, based on this risk-reward ratio. Now, if I take you inside of my live trading server here, you can see I have a bunch of trading accounts at the bottom. This is one of the trading accounts running right now, doing very, very well. As you can see, lots of blue here, lots of wins. And as I scroll over to my other platforms, you can see I'm actually in a live trading position right now, up about $250. And price is about to push down to my take profit level right there, winning the trading position. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trade history on this account. It's been an incredible win streak, about 12 wins in a row. And this is that trading account right here, up about 223%, which brings me to our next section, trading tools that make my life a hell of a lot easier. There are 2 main tools that I'm using, trading robots and trading signals. So this account right here is using my trading robot. I've also done a 5-year back test, which tests the robot for 5 years using the exact same strategy, and the results have been incredibly impressive, and I use that past data to help me decide if I'm going to use the robot in the future. So if you're interested in trading robots, come to the Discord. The link is in the description. You can see here there are people posting their results every single morning. These are just from this morning. All all of this right here is just from yesterday, which was an absolutely huge day for our members. So link to the free Discord is in the description. And I also give one free trading signal per day in the Telegram to about 78,000 people. You can see I sent one this morning around midnight, and we're still waiting to get into that trading position. So you're welcome to check out this section as well to help you get started with your trading. You can use some of my trades. But what's most important is having your own strategy so you can place your own trades, and I'm going to give you a simple one right now. Now let's put you in a position where you can place your first trade. So come back to TradingView. You could select any time frame you want. The lower the time frame, it gets a little bit more difficult. I'm just on 30 minutes right now. Come to indicators right here, type EMA. We're going to put the moving average exponential on the chart. Double click on that. We want that length to be 200. And basically, if price is above the 200 period EMA, we want to buy. If price is below the 200 period EMA, we want to sell. That just means we're trading with the trend. Now we need to find levels to take trades from. So this is actually a live chart right now from this morning. I'll show you exactly what I would have done. So we're looking for big moves up, right? And we mark the red candle. So there's a big move up here. We've got another big move up off of this red candle right here. Look, there's a big move up off of this candle here, right? So I'm marking the red candle before big pushes up in price, and we're looking for buys only. Look, we've got another one right here because we're in an uptrend, and we had another one right here. Now this candle's a bit big, so I would probably use the green candle right here instead, okay? And this morning, what happened? Price came back to that level, right? So price didn't come to this level, this level, this level, or this level, so we didn't use those. But right here, we have a level of demand, right? So I'd expand my zone something like this, right? Just kind of fill up this green candle. I'm going to take my stop loss. I'll put it below the demand zone now, right? And I'm going to target just the top, okay? So I'm going to target recent price, something like this. So if we did that this morning, you'd see price pushed up, created demand, retraced back to demand. We entered the trading position, it pushed up, and it won. A very nice trade using simple supply and demand. So all you want to do is trade in the uptrend, make sure price is above the EMA, mark up those levels of demand after the big push up, and then wait for price to come back to those levels to enter trading positions. That's the main way that I trade. I've got a bunch of videos on the channel. You should check them out. And that's how to day trade for beginners. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, join the free Discord to talk to the community members. They're absolutely incredible. Watch this video right here, or definitely watch this video right here, and I'll be back next week. Much love.